Having the right portable cordless mini chainsaw can completely change your tree trimming, branch, and wood cutting experience. Today's video is on the top 5 best portable cordless mini chainsaws in 2023 through extensive research and testing, so you'll never have to suffer through poor cutting quality or trimming. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Fifth on my list is the SOYUS 4-inch mini chainsaw. The SOYUS 4-inch mini chainsaw by SOYUS is a powerful and convenient tool for all your wood cutting needs. With its cordless design and compact size, this mini chainsaw is perfect for trimming branches and cutting small logs. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, this chainsaw offers versatility and ease of use. One of the standout features of this mini chainsaw is its safety enhancements. It comes with a safety cover flip that prevents wood splashing, ensuring your safety during operation. The lightweight design of the SOYUS mini chainsaw, weighing only 2 kilograms, makes it extremely portable and easy to handle. Its compact size, measuring at 13.66 inches in length, 7.44 inches in width, and 4.57 inches in height, allows for comfortable one-handed operation without causing fatigue during extended use. Equipped with two 21V super large lithium batteries, this mini chainsaw offers an impressive battery life, allowing you to work for up to 50 minutes on a single charge. Overall, the SOYUS 4-inch mini chainsaw by SOYUS is a reliable and user-friendly tool. Its safety features, lightweight design, long battery life, and adjustable cutting speed make it a versatile option for tree trimming, branch cutting, and wood cutting tasks. Please check link in the description box and read more information. Fourth on my list is the SeeSii 6-inch mini chainsaw. The SeeSii 6-inch mini chainsaw is a powerful and convenient tool for all your wood cutting and tree trimming needs. With its compact size and lightweight design, this cordless chainsaw is perfect for both experienced woodworkers and beginners alike. One of the standout features of the SeeSii mini chainsaw is its 880 watts powerful motor and deeply quenched guide chain. This combination allows for effortless cutting and precise control, making it particularly user-friendly for the elderly. It comes equipped with a chain lubrication system that makes oiling quick and easy. Simply pour oil into the tank, and the chain will be lubricated freely, resulting in less wear and smoother cutting. It comes with two 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries and a fast charger, providing up to 50 to 60 minutes of continuous use. The lithium-ion batteries are equipped with self-overload and temperature protection, ensuring a longer battery life. The SeeSii mini chainsaw features low kickback and reduced vibration to promote safe usage. It includes a safety lock switch and splash guard for added protection. Overall, the SeeSii 6-inch mini chainsaw is a fantastic investment for anyone in need of a reliable and efficient chainsaw. Its powerful motor, chain lubrication system, long battery life, and safety features make it a standout choice. Please check link in the description box and read more information. Third on my list is the BEI HONG 6-inch mini chainsaw with 2 batteries. The BEI HONG 6-inch mini chainsaw is a fantastic tool for wood cutting and tree trimming, offering portability, power, and safety features. With its compact size and lightweight design, this chainsaw is easy to handle, making it suitable for women and the elderly. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or a professional, this mini chainsaw will impress you with its performance. The high-quality wooden teeth design guide chain ensures smooth cutting, thanks to its deep quenching. One of the standout features of this chainsaw is its battery power. It comes with two 550 watts 24-volt 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries, providing a generous usage time of 2.5 to 3 hours on a full charge. Safety is a top priority with the BEI HONG mini chainsaw. It incorporates 3 security measures to guarantee reliable safety. The BEI HONG 6-inch mini chainsaw offers convenience, power, and safety, making it an ideal choice for wood cutting and tree trimming tasks. Its lightweight design and user-friendly features make it suitable for anyone. regardless of age or physical strength. With this chainsaw, you can tackle your gardening projects with ease and efficiency. Invest in the BEI HONG Mini Chainsaw today and experience the joy of effortless cutting and trimming. Please check link in the description box and read more information. Second on my list is the SeeSii 4-inch Mini Chainsaw. The SeeSii 4-inch Mini Chainsaw is a compact and portable tool that offers convenience and efficiency for pruning and cutting tasks in your garden or courtyard. This battery-powered chainsaw from SeeSii is designed to provide a reliable cutting performance while being lightweight and easy to handle. The pure copper motor used in this chainsaw is powerful, resulting in higher cutting efficiency and faster operation. Weighing just 1.1 kilograms, including the battery, and measuring only 4 inches in length, the SeeSii Mini Chainsaw is incredibly lightweight and compact. This design allows for easy one-handed operation and reduces fatigue even. It is a great choice for both occasional and regular use, and its user-friendly design makes it suitable for people of all ages, including the elderly. The chainsaw comes with a 20V 1,500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery that provides long-lasting power. It is convenient and fast to charge, allowing you to use the chainsaw whenever you need it. Safety is a top priority with the SeeSii Mini Chainsaw. It features a safety lock that must be pressed before starting the chainsaw, ensuring that accidental starts and injuries are prevented. Overall, the SeeSii 4-inch Mini Chainsaw offers a portable, powerful, and safe cutting solution for your pruning needs. With its lightweight design, long battery life, and reliable performance, it is a practical tool that is suitable for a wide range of users. Please check link in the description box and read more information. At last, first on my list is the Greenworks 24V 6-inch Mini Chainsaw. The Greenworks 24V 6-inch Mini Chainsaw is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for all your cutting, trimming, and pruning needs. With its impressive features and convenient design, this chainsaw is a must-have for both homeowners and professionals. One of the standout features of the Greenworks Mini Chainsaw is its 24V POWERALL battery system. This battery is compatible with over 125 Greenworks indoor and outdoor tools, providing you with the flexibility to tackle a wide range of projects. This chainsaw is ideal for various tasks such as trimming branches, cutting firewood, and pruning trees. The brushless motor delivers double the torque, offering more power and longer run times. One of the standout advantages of this chainsaw is its ease of use. With a simple push-button start, you can get the chainsaw up and running without the hassle of gas, fumes, carburetors, spark plugs, or starter ropes. It's an eco-friendly alternative that saves you time and effort. Overall, the Greenworks 24V 6-inch Mini Chainsaw is a top-notch tool that offers power, convenience, and reliability. With its versatility, lightweight design, and user-friendly features, it's a great investment for anyone in need of a high-quality chainsaw. Whether you're a homeowner or a professional, this chainsaw will exceed your expectations and make your cutting, trimming, and pruning tasks a breeze. Please check link in the description box and read more information.